It's been 3 years now that Hannah Payne decided to end the life of Kenneth Herring by exacting her form of justice, vigilante justice. She had a court hearing on the 18th of this month, and here are the details of the court appearance. Hannah Payne has been out for the last 3 years on a $300,000 bond, where she has been able to take trips and leave the state of Georgia after allegedly ending this man's life. Superior Court Judge Shayna Rooks Malone has set her trial date for November 14th, 2022, which will be almost 3.5 years since she gunned down this man. Let me add that at the end of the hearing that took place on Monday, 18 April 2022, Hannah Quickdraw Payne was able to go home freely, as opposed to Mr. Herring, who is currently laid up in a cemetery somewhere because of her hands. But I digress. Her attorney has made the following outlandish statement, basically blaming Mr. Herring for his death by saying the following statement. The accused state that the video, as well as one of the 911 tapes, would clearly show Miss Payne was attacked by the alleged victim, and in one portion of the recorded incident, one can hear the engine rev up and Miss Payne scream, "You attacking me, dude?" This, coupled with a witness statement, shows that the alleged victim attempted to run Miss Payne down with his car before any gun was pulled. Mr. Herring then proceeded to attack Miss Payne further by grabbing her shirt, cutting her chest area, and ripping her shirt almost completely off. He also stated that, and I quote, "It just seems like an unfortunate situation of a good Samaritan trying to stop a person on a hit and run," Matt Tucker, who's the attorney, said. He also said that she went to Herring's car with a gun to keep him from leaving. There's nothing good in either one of them, but I digress. Also, which is more shocking, there is a group known as the Road to Power who has made it their life's goal to let everyone know how they feel about Negroes, as they put it, in this situation, in defense of Hannah Payne, where Payne's family has yet to condemn the actions of this racist organization. Take a listen.
Being charged with murder, something that never would have happened if it was a white, mature male who got shot because he chose to physically struggle with a young female. But due to the anti-white lie that Negroes are victims, she's been cast as the criminal, when in fact, it was the Negro. Negroes aren't Americans.
They aren't even fully human.
Time to send them all to Africa.
They don't fit in here.
They don't belong here.
In your heart, you know it's true.
Hannah Payne did nothing wrong.
Tell the district attorney of Clayton County, Georgia.
Free Hannah Payne. This message being filmed by the roadtopower.com.
These calls were made to the residents of Clayton County and Fayette County, which is predominantly white, which I'm all too familiar with. As you've heard, they make it a point to demonize Mr. Herring and paint this vile and vicious grown-ass woman as the hero and victim at the same time, who, in their opinion, did the right thing by driving down this elder after being told not to by law enforcement, getting out of her vehicle after being told not to by law enforcement, cutting this man off in traffic and approaching his vehicle in traffic after being told not to by law enforcement, and then ending this man's life, who was, let me say this for those in the back, that was in the middle of a medical emergency in front of his wife after being told not to explicitly by law enforcement. Let me use this time to encourage you all to get your life right, because ending up in the same place as these two, as in the lawyer and Hannah Payne, is something I wouldn't wish on my worst enemy if I had one. So until November 14th, we'll see if she gets the justice she deserves in the form of life in prison for the life that she took. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you haven't already, remember to like the video as it helps to support our channel. Subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification bell, and please watch when you're notified. I'd really appreciate it. Stay tuned for more, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.